Okay guys, this time we're going to be doing number 21, and this is going to be creating probability models. Creating probability models. Okay, so I'm going to glue in our first problem, and I'm going to explain it to you so that you know exactly what we're doing. So, this is our probability problem. If Peter chooses a point in the square, what is the probability that it is not in the circle? So first we need to remember that squares have 4 equal sides, right? And the length of one side must be 14 because this is the radius which touches the edge. So the diameter of that circle is going to be 14, which is from one end of the circle to the other. So each of these lengths is going to be 14, okay? Making sense so far? Okay, and the area of the circle is equal to the length times the width, right? The area of the square would be, so we have area of the square is going to be 14 times 14, right? The length times the width, which is equal to 196, and we're going to say centimeters squared. The area of the circle is equal to pi r squared, which will be equal to pi times 7 squared, which is going to be equal to approximately 154 centimeters squared. So if we want to know what the difference is between if we're going to land not in the circle but one of these little outside edges, we need to find out what is the square minus the circle to find out the area of these little corners over here. So we would take the area of the square, 196, and we're going to subtract the area of the circle, 154, and that's going to give us 42. So we would say that the 42, which we know is the corners, out of a total possible 196, so we would say this is total, right, is 0.2142, and we turn that into a percent, we would say, or 21.42%, because these are always going to be in percents. So there's a probability of 21.42% that we are going to